All right, so I'll go first, and when I pause, that means it's your turn to do the letters, sounds, and the hand motions too, okay? R says Q says qua. P says p. O says ah, o, oo. N says n. D says d. I think it would be duh. Yeah. E says e. M says L says oh. K says k, the talk. J says j. I says I. C says k. H says h. B says b. V says v. U says u, T says t. Z says z. G says j. F says f. Y says ya, e, point to your knee. I, says ya. So many sounds Mr. Y can make. X says x. W says wa. A says ah. Good. S says z. All right, that's it for today with our one letters. I want you to practice this 3 or 4 times a week. It's quick and easy. All right, make sure everybody's reading, writing, and having fun. Have a good day.